Hey everyone, welcome into my kitchen. Want to make some southern boiled green peanuts? This is what we're going to be adding with a few little extras. We're going to wash those peanuts, make sure all the debris is off those peanuts. We're going to put them in a big old stock pot, and let's add the seasonings. Add the seasonings as per your taste. Once you've added all of the seasonings as per your taste, then we will be adding enough water to cover the peanuts. Now, adding red pepper flakes is optional. I just happen to have a pack here, which is probably about a tablespoon. Again, that is optional. So we're going to add about 2.5 of the 4 cups. 2.5 of the 4 cups. So a total of about 10 cups of water, depending on how large your stock pot is. Just make sure that your peanuts are covered. Now let's stir everything around to make sure that everything gets mixed up. And I'll also be adding a half of stick of butter or margarine. I have my eye turned on high. We're going to make sure this pot is covered tightly. We're going to bring it to a boil on high, and then you'll turn it down to a medium. It's going to be on 9 on high if you have a number stove, and then turn it down to a 5 on medium. And you'll let them boil for at least 2 hours or until the peanut is tender. During the cooking process, make sure you continue to stir. Make sure that the peanuts are immersed in water. If you need to add extra water, you can do so. My southern recommendation is to not eat them immediately, but to let them sit so that flavor can really soak into those nuts. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, so I had to add 4 cups of water in here only once during this cooking time. It's been 2 hours. I may let them cook for additional 30 minutes, but I'm gonna try one now and just see the tenderness of it at 2 hours. It's getting there, so I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it off and let it continue to soak in all this brothy goodness. You know, see all that good old color from that 2 times spicy. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, they are done. They are ready. Look at those peanuts. Cajun 2 times spicy peanuts. Oh yeah.